Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 8 Plus is updated and protected with a passcode, because Wallet requires security to add cards. Once done, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign. That begins the add card flow. You can scan the card with the camera for speed or type details manually if needed, and then follow your bank's verification prompts, often a text code or app confirmation, so Wallet trusts the card and links it to Apple Pay. Next, set your default card in settings Wallet and Apple Pay so transactions pick the right payment instantly. This avoids tapping through cards later. When you pay in stores, double-click the Home button to wake Apple Pay, then select a different card if necessary. Authenticate with Touch ID, press your finger to the Home button, and hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless reader. You'll see Done and a check mark when the payment succeeds. Finally, add boarding passes, tickets, or transit cards by tapping them in apps, emails, or scanning QR codes into Wallet, because one place holds everything for quick access. If you use transit often, enable Express Transit for fares without Touch ID. Make sure the transit system supports it. If a card fails to authorize, remove, and re-add it, confirm iOS is current and restart the phone. Then contact your bank only if problems persist, since verification or hold issues are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.